Hi, creatives.
Let's make some Easter egg earrings. Using a sharp, pointy object, bore a hole in the center of the egg. Now take an earring pin and push it right through the center of that hole that you just bore. Now take the glue gun and seal that earring pin in place, locking it tight with the glue. Now shorten your earring pin by cutting it. Now loop the earring pin, locking it in place to form a loop to hang the earring hooks. Now take a jump ring, open it, place the earring hook on, and then place it on the earring pin. And now you're finished. Sealed the egg, and now you have a cute Easter egg earrings to wear. You could put little treats inside, or if not, and you have multiple ways you can style it. You can wear it whole, you can wear it half, or you can mix the eggs up in different colors. I'm in love. You could wear these whole, so cute. Or you could switch them out. How cool is that? Or you could wear them in half. So cool, guys. Let's dance, guys. Take these baby for a spin. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification if you'd like to see more videos like these. Okay, guys, bye. Till next time with Jan.